the coastline on the southeast of the island. I mean, a lot of the beaches has been affected, as you know. You've visited as well. A lot of the beaches has been affected. I mean, the wildlife has been affected there. Because we have a lot of sensitive areas there. So a lot of work that again that was discussed in the morning, how we are going to how we are going to clean it in the first place and then rehabilitate it over the months and years, because that's going to take a long time to get rid of the oil, but the rehabilitation is going to take quite a bit of time, and we have been discussing this with all the different experts from overseas.
One of my fears is that it's not going to be the last shipwreck on Mauritius. In a month, you had 2,000 ships that went close to Mauritius. That's a lot. And we have, in the past 10 years, had something like at least five wrecks in our waters. The difference with this wreck is that it caused a major oil spill.